Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you some keyboard tricks on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So your Samsung keyboard has now some hidden gestures that can make typing much faster. So first, let me show you how you can basically delete something really quickly from the right. So as you know, when you press backspace, this basically deletes anything from the left. However, let's say you want to delete something from the right. So here I put my cursor in the middle. And if I want to go ahead and delete something from the right, I'll go ahead and tap on Shift. I'll hold Shift and I'll go ahead and press the delete button. So as you can see, once I do that, it basically deletes whatever is on the right hand side. So I'll just show you again. I'll put the cursor just in front of the T, hold the Shift button and then press the delete button. Now the next thing which I want to show you is the precise cursor control. So you can press and hold the space bar and then slide the finger left or right to move the cursor exactly where you need it. So say for example, I want this cursor to be in between of please subscribe. So doing like that, I can go ahead and move it. However, there's another way of moving this cursor, and this basically will give you a precise movement and position of that cursor. So this basically lets you move the cursor exactly where you need it. So to do this, you want to go ahead and long press on it, and then you want to go ahead and move it wherever you like. So you can move it up and down, or you can move it left and right. So if I want that cursor in between of simple, so S-I-M, I can go ahead and leave it there, and I can go ahead and type whatever I want. So this is a lifesaver when editing long text or fixing small typos. Both of these tricks work in almost any apps, and it feels natural once you get used to them. So it's great for speeding up your typing and editing. It reduces the frustration when you're fixing typos, and it works across most apps without a setup. So there you go guys, there are some keyboard tricks on your Samsung S25 Ultra you need to know.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.